Chemistry with Pastor Dan. We're going to do some pH practice. We talked about pH yesterday. So today we're going to practice some pH problems. I think I've got 5 of them for you. So the first one, I'm going to have you all my equations you need right there. So pH is negative log of hydrogen ion. pOH is negative log of hydroxide ion. pH plus pOH is 14. Hydrogen ion is 10 raised to the minus pH. And hydroxide ion is 10 to the minus pOH. And so I ask you to find the pH. I'm just going to find one, but you have to work through it. I'm going to ask you to find the pOH for that one. Third one, fourth one, fifth one, all work all the way to the end for hydrosulfuric acid, calcium hydroxide, and copper 3 hydroxide. So pause the video. See, there's all 5 of them there. Pause the video, give it a shot, see what we do. I'm going to do number 4. So if you get stuck, start the video up again and watch. But then we'll go over the answers at the end. All right. So give it a shot, stop it, see what we come up with. All right. So let's look at how to do that 4th one. What is the hydrogen ion concentration of, should be a space in there, I'm sorry, 0.000135 molar calcium hydroxide. All right. So we're going to find calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide we're going to dissociate, break down into its ions. So it's going to yield one direction. Always going to be strong for these. Going to get calcium ion and hydroxide ion. Now they're not balanced. I can't put a subscript, so I'm going to put a coefficient 2. Now, if I want the concentration of hydroxide ion, it's going to be that concentration of my base, calcium hydroxide, but because it's 1 to 2, I'm going to multiply it by 2, and I'm going to get 0.000270 because that, I need 3 sig figs, and the units are molar because it's a concentration. Okay, once I do that, I want to find hydroxide, pOH. Because I know hydroxide, I can find pOH. Remember, pOH is a negative log of hydroxide ion, which will be the negative log of 0.000270. Get your calculator, press the button, negative log 0.000270, and you should get 3.57. Again, there's no units there. pH, pOH don't have any units at all. All right, once we do that, we're looking for hydrogen ion, so next we got to do is find pH. Well, pH we said was 14 minus pOH, because pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So 14 minus 3.57, infinitely significant 14, as many zeros as we need. We get 10.43. Again, no units there for the pH. All right, now I want hydrogen ion. That's what I'm looking for. So that's going to be 10 raised to the minus pH. So that's 10 raised to the minus 10.4. So take your calculator, shift log, gives you 10 raised to the minus 10.43. I have 4 sig figs. I get 3.715 times 10 minus 11th on my calculator. That is a concentration. So remember, that's molar. That's my answer. Alrighty. Now, so let's check to see my other answers here. So there's my first one, 9.390. Second one, 8.513. Third one, 3.945 times 10 minus 10th molar. Fourth one we did already, 3.715 times 10 minus 11th. And the last one's huge. Just a lot of sig figs here because their value of the pOH is extremely small. So when you subtract it, all those are significant. So the answer is 1.0034113 times 10 to the minus 14th molar. All right. Hopefully that wasn't too bad. Take care. God bless.